In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add Calendly to your Wix website. The process involves several steps, but I'm here to guide you through each one, so an appointment-making integration feels less intimidating. First things first, you need to get your Calendly link. For this, sign into your Calendly account and look for the specific event you desire to add to your Wix website. Once you have located the event, there will be a Share button available, which you need to click in order to copy the unique URL linked to that specific event. Once the link has been successfully copied, we move on to the second phase, opening the Wix editor. Log into your Wix account and get into the editing mode for the specific website where you want to add the Calendly link. The next step takes us into the world of embed code elements. On the left sidebar of the Wix editor, you'll spot an Add button depicted by a plus sign. Click this Add button, navigate to Embed and Social, and then select the option which says Embed Code. This will allow you to insert an embed HTML element, which will consequently add a box to your website page. Now it is time to actually insert the Calendly link to our Wix site. Click on the Enter Code or Edit button on the new HTML box that you recently added. In the settings that appear next, you need to select the website address option. Then paste your Calendly link into the text field that is visible in this setting. You can make the integration live by clicking the Apply button, which embeds the Calendly calendar into your Wix page. The slightly fun part now is adjusting and shaping the look of your newly added Calendly widget. Use the handles available on the HTML box to tailor the widget's dimensions to what feels visually acceptable to you. You can also drag the widget around to place it wherever you want it to be on your website page. The last, but perhaps the most exciting part, is to save and publish. Click the Save button, and then go on to click the Publish button to make your newly integrated Calendly widget go live on your website. It's all a very simple and smooth user experience-based process. Look at you. You have now successfully added Calendly to your Wix website.